Every night, when we look up at the sky, we see a silent glowing object hanging above us. For thousands of years, humans have worshipped it, written poems about it, and blamed it for madness and romance. But one question remains unanswered for many people. Where did the moon come from? Was it always there, with Earth? Or was it born from destruction, from an event so violent that it nearly destroyed our planet? Today, we travel 5 billion years into the past to uncover the true scientific story of how the moon was formed. About 5 billion years ago, Earth did not look anything like it does today. There were no oceans, no trees, no life. The surface was covered with fire and molten rock. Giant volcanic eruptions were everywhere. Earth was still a proto-planet. A planet that was not fully formed yet. The early solar system was a dangerous place. Planets were constantly crashing into each other. This was the most chaotic period in the history of our solar system. And in this chaos, something terrifying was approaching Earth. At the same time, another planet was orbiting near Earth. It was about the size of Mars. Scientists call this lost planet Theia. For a long time, Theia moved safely near Earth, locked in a delicate gravitational balance. But gravity is unpredictable. Slowly, Theia's orbit began to change. And then, one day, Theia was on a collision course with Earth. When Theia crashed into Earth, the impact released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs combined. Theia was completely destroyed. A huge part of Earth's outer layers was melted and blasted into space. For a brief moment, it seemed like Earth itself might not survive. The surface of Earth turned into a global ocean of magma. But from this destruction, something extraordinary was about to be born. After the collision, Earth was surrounded by a massive ring of molten rock and debris. This material continued to orbit Earth. Over time, gravity pulled these pieces together. Not over millions of years, not even thousands, but possibly within just a few decades, the debris began forming a single body. And that body became the moon. Because this material came from Earth's outer layers, the moon's composition is very similar to Earth's mantle. But unlike Earth, the moon never developed a large iron core. The newborn moon was nothing like the calm object we see today. It was a burning world. Its surface was covered by vast oceans of molten lava. The moon was also much closer to Earth, appearing nearly 20 times larger in the sky. As the moon slowly cooled, a solid crust began to form. Below the surface, magma continued to flow. Massive volcanic eruptions filled low-lying basins with lava. These dark regions are still visible today and are called Maria. For billions of years, the moon was bombarded by asteroids and comets. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere, no wind, and no rain. So these impact craters were never erased. Each crater is a permanent scar, a frozen record of the solar system's violent past. In many ways, the moon is a time capsule, preserving the history of space itself. Today, the moon is slowly moving away from Earth at about 1.5 inches per year. It still experiences small tremors called moonquakes. Modern missions are searching for water ice hidden in the moon's shadowed craters. One day, the moon may become a base for human exploration, a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. The moon is not just a rock in space. It is a reminder that creation often begins with destruction. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below.